Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Zakia Fasha Beira. You can call me Fasha, and I am a student from International Islamic University Malaysia and taking a Bachelor Business Administration majoring in marketing. And currently holding a position as Executive Associate Intern in Corporate Strategy Department. Over the past few months, I have had the incredible opportunity to work as an intern. I am thrilled to be here today to share a life hack experience with you. The topic is how to send email in bulk. So here we go, check it out.
Okay, so before you personalize email in bulk, you must go to the Google Workspace and you can see create email merge with Gmail and Google Sheets. And after you click, you can find copy document. So now you can see there is a Google spreadsheet example, so you can add or delete the information that you want. But the important thing is you cannot delete. The next step is I want to add my name, email, and my recipient, and also the description. I just want to copy it. The next step is prepare the script in Gmail that you want to send to the recipient, and after that you can click mail merge and send email. And in this step we must authorize required, so we can just click it. And after that, Google hasn't verified this app. Yeah, this is true, but we can trust it because of after this you can click advanced and we can just go to the script in Gmail. Go to the recipient column and we can write like this, the sign and recipient and that sign, and after that we can copy the subject, and after we copy the subject we can go to the mail merge. Don't forget to paste it and click OK. After we click it and done, the email already sent to the recipient. It's so easy. I think that's all from my tutorial to send email in bulk. I hope you can try it in your home.
Overall, my internship at VC has been an incredible journey of personal growth and professional development. I have learned to embrace challenges, thinking creatively, and adapt to fast-paced and dynamic industry. The supportive and collaborative environment at VC has provided me with a perfect platform to learn, explore, and make a meaningful impact. I am very grateful to everyone on VC team for their consistent help, advice, and faith in my skill. This internship has been a life-changing experience that has not only given me real skills but also made me want to keep learning and do well in everything I do in the future. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.